Oh, buddy. So, got a new throttle cable, and I got that put in. I was goofing around making sure that it will reach on the throttle body, but I gotta make a bracket. I mean, this one kind of works, but it doesn't, so I'm gonna make one. So I just got the new throttle cable just chilling there. And then my swap kit come in, the Field Racing swap kit, oil pan, all that, everything. So that's the oil pan, the gasket, and that's the pickup too. Got the motor mounts. Man, these things look so nice. You can see it. These things are so nice. I got power steering lines and oil filter relocation here, and then those are all the mounting bolts and everything. Waiting for another package from these guys for the drive shaft, trans mount, and headers. So those should be coming in soon. We'll be seeing that. I just giving you guys a little quick update just because I haven't done a lot more on here. I mean, did I do anything else? Not quite sure. So let's see. I'm just goofing around with these lights again. I put some LEDs in so you can see them a little bit better, because before the white was actually yellow from the bulb. So now that's all good. And then haven't done much else. I got to take all the interior out again. Take the dash, take center console, passenger seat out, and decide when I'm gonna take it down to San Diego to my buddy to have him do a roll cage. I was gonna build my own, but then I kind of did research, and to buy my tube bender and the pipe notcher and all that stuff, with the money spent on that, I could buy 2 roll cages. So I'm just gonna go through and have those guys welded up, and then it should be all nice and ready. I don't know, the motor, I ordered a new one, a crate engine, and it should be coming in like about 3 days, not including the weekend. I think I ordered it, was that Monday, Tuesday? I think Tuesday. And they said 3 to 5 days from then. So I should be seeing that next week. And we will see what I want to do with that. I don't know if I'm going to leave it stock or buy a cam, build the heads. I mean, it's not going to be an LS1. It's going to be the 6.0. So it's going to be the cast iron block 6.0 LQ9. And now I'm thinking of going supercharged. I'm not doing supercharged just yet. I'm going to get this thing running with the power, you know, start drifting with that, get used to that, then go into supercharged. But I wouldn't mind getting you know, a cam and everything in there so I can rev up a little bit more. And then a performance oil pump, and you know, just all the supporting mods. So we will see how this ends up, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you.